Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I can do.
What's up, y'all? As y'all can tell right now, I'm in the car. I'm gonna go get me some shampoo and conditioner. Well, I already had some. I let somebody use it. I'm on the way to go get it because I really need to wash my hair. And that shampoo that I have is that's that slap your mama shampoo, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm on the way to go get that. Y'all, when I'm around by myself, I really like to listen to gospel music. Because I feel like when I'm with people, they don't really be wanting to hear that, you know? You gotta respect people's religion. Oh, don't give up. God is on the way, don't give up. I wanna let somebody know. If you just hold on to God and change your hands, He won't let you down.
Forever.
ECPI University.
Good that I have. Didn't give it, and the world can't take it away. Oh Lord. Alright, y'all, that's enough for the gospel music. Like, I'm finna jam to myself. Like, I just gotta have a little, you know. I love church music, y'all. Like, I can listen to it all day. But like, if I'm in the car with a lot of people, you know, some people don't really like gospel music, I won't play it, like, just out of respect. But when I'm by myself, oh, I act a fool. You know what I'm saying? All right, let me stop, y'all. But right now, I done made it to go get the shampoo. So let me go in here and get that, y'all. I really need to go to Best Buy and get a tripod for real, because this is really not safe. Don't try this at home, guys, okay? Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the shampoo, and I'll get with y'all then. Because I'm here now. I am driving any kind of way right now. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna get the shampoo. Well, she actually about to come outside. She about to come out to bring me the shampoo.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait, fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy.
So right now we're getting ready. Me and Money, she over there, yeah, doing her wig. Right now we're getting ready. Y'all remember, so I was going to get that shampoo. So while I'm going to get the shampoo, I got invited to this little club thing. So we gonna go.
Leave the club, slap it drunk, come home and get my rocks off.
Okay. I know what she said.
Did she say that?
No, it's the lady remixed it. I forgot. But yeah, y'all, I'm getting ready right now. Well, I don't even know what time it is, y'all. It's a certain time I need to be out the door for real.
About 10:30.
Cause I'm not trying to rush. Well,
But you're not trying to pay either.
Yeah, so that's why I'm really not trying to pay. Like, it's free until 12. So.
Free drinks too?
Oh yeah, that's why I'm really trying to hurry up and get out the door. I don't got that long. I just got to flat iron my hair. Right now I'm spraying my roots and jamming to some music. Y'all, listening to music really helps me get ready faster. I don't know why.
It does.
No, for real, dude. Okay.
Oh no.
But yeah, y'all, I'm straightening my hair right now when I get done. Y'all probably gonna see me when I'm ready, cause I really gotta hurry up. So let me get with y'all when I'm done. Y'all, the fact that I ain't bring my camera in that bitch, that would have been so lit, especially when the stuff fell.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh,
You throwing me out.
y'all, I really hate that club, because why would you write that on my arm just because I'm not 21? But one thing about
You
it,
did it on both arms.
They said, nah, y'all ain't finna act like y'all got shit. Hey, how you doing?
Doing good. The first one for Mariah is going to be $14.46.
Okay.
when we at
And it said the
McDonald's.
second one was already paid for through the app. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, we at McDonald's right now.
Look at these.
We're good to pull forward.
Alright.
Why the fuck y'all got 3 pickles on
Y'all, I need to hurry up and get home. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I really don't like this. Like, this look real stuff.
It's the fact that it's not even an X.
That's what I'm saying. Like, why? But yeah, y'all can't wait on 21, so people can start writing on my hand. He wrote on this one too.
The fact that I got 2 wrist rings.
Now look at this, I smeared this one.
That shit blowing.
But y'all, they clothes up here lit. Next time I go, I gotta record.
What the fuck he's standing like
We supposed to go somewhere tomorrow, but I don't know if they really going. They be capping.
Girl, don't do that.
We're gonna see if we going tomorrow, cause you know they be capping, y'all.
I'm fucking heels on for real for the last bitch. My bad. Why the fuck they got these fat ass aprons on?
Y'all got me a 10-piece nugget meal. What you got? What came I got?
Some nuggets.
Oh yeah. You always getting large, y'all. Every time I'm with Cass, she getting a large. Like, why is you not getting a medium?
What's wrong with the large?
That's too much.
Girl, that's how you know you gotta eat after the club.
Yeah, I'm finna end this right here though. I ain't gonna. Nah, I gotta see Jalen reaction when I walk in the door. I'm act so drunk. Watch this.
You got the wrong.
He finna drop my food.
You got the wrong person coming in.
Multi-order?
Yes. You act like you don't know how to use phone.
Thank you.
Is that barbecue sauce in that bag? Huh?
Yes.
You sure? Don't lie to me.
Yeah. Oh, that look good.
That looks amazing.
You need to stop. You need to stop.
Here are straws.
Can I have some ketchup?
Yes.
Thank you, David.
No problem.
Don't blow that in my face.
That shit pissed me off. He told me, I'm sorry though. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know. Don't piss me off. Don't piss me
Alright,
off.
y'all. I'm trying to get home. So I really came to get some stuff for my skin routine because I ran out. What I'm looking for. First thing I need. Let me see what I need. Because I'll come here and get stuff I don't need. So I need. Hold on, y'all. I forgot what I need. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So I need. My camera tripping. But I need mouthwash. So I'm gonna get the green one. No, I already had the green one before. I'm gonna get the blue one. This one really good too. Somebody told me. What else I need? I need some soap. Not that soap that's gonna bring me out though. When can you hold this okay? I'm about to drop my. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, I'm about to drop everything. But right now, I'm gonna go get some. What is this? Mouthwash. Got that. Soap. I need some soap. Y'all don't look right with hats for real. Soap. Are we coming to the right side?
No, I literally just said don't follow me.
Oh, I hear you. Soap.
Financially now, but
Soap. Yeah, this soap I use, it's got native. It's called native, but I'm gonna get something else. I'll use this right here. This green. I'm gonna get the. They didn't really have the bottles I'm talking about though. Where's Dove? I'm just get Dove, cause I need some soap. If not, I'll just get native, cause that's what I always use. But it's always back there, the ones I'm talking about. I love that native. They don't got the one I want though, the coconut. So it Dove it is. I don't want Dove. Oh, it's right here. But I forgot they got this one too. They don't got the one I'm looking for though. I'm gonna get one me and Jonathan Berry's too. Cause if I get that one, he gonna say, oh, that stink. Oh, let me get this Lysol for my car. So I got Lysol, body wash. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one here. That Ivory soap good too. Y'all be using that?
I had some before. Is this soap?
Yeah, right.
Oh, that's body wash.
This one bigger, it may last longer. Cause I'm tired of coming to the store and getting soap every other. I had that kind before. I'm gonna get that one instead.
No, you say it's only 5.
What?
I'm gonna get this one.
Well, get that one then. So you did that? Oh. Okay, y'all. So I got some soap. What else I need? Bio oil for my face. Y'all, that bio oil, please get that. Get it. That bio oil is gonna do you some justice. I'm telling you. I don't see it though. I'm looking for bio oil. Money, you ever used that before? Bio oil. It's the bomb. I don't see it though. Where's the bio oil? Why is it not organized? Like, I'm getting kind of confused. I'm looking for the bio. I need that oil too. That's why my face getting so dry so fast. Yeah, I'm still looking for the oil. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I find it. Yeah, this is it right here. Bio oil. What else I need? Bio oil. I need another toothbrush. That toothbrush is hard, money. I got braces, y'all. That junk hurt. Let me see. Oh, here they go. Now this, my favorite toothbrush. Soft. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. How much is those?
$15, baby.
Grab that one. Y'all, I'm gonna try this right here. If it don't work, I'm coming for money head.
Girl, you put some on the other day.
Light down here. That's the fastest I ever came in and out of store. Amen.
Put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know
I love a good car wash.
Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red. Then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers.
Rella hero horrible.
What? Excuse me?
Oh, you're not talking to me.
So can I move?
Nah, not yet. You gotta do the other ones.
It is on here.
What? Let me
I'm
see.
gonna watch it when I get to the house.
Oh, I thought you were talking about something. Don't throw me no money. Y'all, right now he's drying it.
Both though, it took two. He coming up here trying to smile and stuff.
That's
I
how
don't
you
like
dry it.
Jamaicans.
I thought you gotta dry the other one.
Shit, I thought.
Yeah, only thing I hate about car wash is like you gotta like where we at now, you gotta vacuum your own car. Like that's weird to me.
That's in a lot of places. Just probably you've never been to one.
Yeah, like I don't know why I gotta vacuum my own car. But with me and Money, we finna go ahead and do it. Money, you gonna be editing my video while you keep cussing.
I did. What else I said? Damn.
No, I don't know what you said.
I ain't just say no cuss word.
Oh, you don't even know you cussing. I need you to stop cussing then.
That's crazy because I just said I was gonna stop cussing.
Yeah, so you just how you just told that lie?
No. I said I'm gonna try.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna try.
This, I like, when I do a video, I try not to cuss because, like, you know, little kids be watching. I know kids know cuss words, but it's just me. I don't really want to post it if it got cussing. Because my little sister.
Bag it up.
My little sister don't be watching. And brothers and, you know, little cousins. But yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when we get to the bathroom part. I'm trying to get this trash. Yeah, right now we're on the way to the nail shop. Oh my god, I'm never ever washing my car by myself again. Or like, I need for the people to do. I'm not with all it. Well, yeah, right now I'm finna try this new nail shop. I'm just getting my toes did because I got a nail appointment booked for the 21st, so it's gonna be done when I get my nails did right now. But yeah, I'll get with y'all when I get there.
Yeah, the hospital.
Okay. Yeah, my toes are long overdue. Let me see yours.
What, my toes?
Oh, yours. Oh, you can chicken flavor. Damn. What are you doing? Long overdue. It's raining.
You keep that bad. What are you supposed to do? Oh, you said ice cream.
I'm not getting it.
You don't want it no more?
I'm getting food.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely hungry. But yeah, I'm getting my feet down right now.
Oh, yeah.
Let me get the classic. I ain't with all that.
Oh, my goodness.
Y'all not with a lot of stuff. How you did that?
On the side, girl.
Y'all about to get me a massage. Hold on. Cause money getting her one. Where?
Turn it on at the top.
Oh, we gotta sit down here.
Let the seat back.
I'm in it back.
Yeah. Like, press what you wanted to do.
I'm gonna need back some more. Ooh, so you doing too much now?
Why you always go back there for me?
What I supposed to do? What you did? Full back? Yeah, I'm trying to get a massage while I get my toes did. What I do? I'm mashing it. Look.
I press full back.
I just want white.
White.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I feel it. How you get the shade?
I don't know. I can press full back. Oh, I press strong back.
Right here you go. Oh, that feels good. But yeah, I'm getting my toes done right now. I'm gonna get white.
I do this, I go down the
Ooh. That feel, oh, it's pouring down my milk.
No color for them. And you want white color gel? Gel or the
Jeff.
How much more is gel? Gel extra 15. I like this one. This is a nice one shirt.
Oh, it's pouring down outside. That's not ready to get my hair done. Next time y'all see me, I should have my hair done. For real. If I don't, something wrong.
Cái thì sơn với họ lại nó sơn nhiều hơn.
So yeah, I'm about to watch a movie or some TikTok. Yeah, so right now we at McDonald's. I'm really sleepy, bro.
This shit can push
When I get done, I'm probably about to take a nap. I ain't gonna lie to you. I supposed to got some ice cream, went to the mall, all that, but I don't think I'm gonna make it today. I'm
the mall
tired.
gonna close early today. It's Sunday.
Yeah, I'm just go to the mall tomorrow, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow on the next day. Cause I'm tired right now, and I need to do. I think I'm doing a slit back to my real hair, so I'm gonna get with y'all next day. Y'all, I hope I don't get copyrights, but right now I'm at Buffalo Wild Wings with money again. She's taking a picture of her drink on my kid.
I was trying to take a picture of both our drinks, but y'all kneeling the way. I gotta do it.
Why is my camera going so like that? Oh, there you go. But yeah, right now I'm at Buffalo Wild Wings just getting a little snack. Y'all like a little kid. I am so ready to get my hair did. It's ridiculous. Let me try try this lemonade. Oh, it's on my eye. Oh, that's nice. The bomb dicky.
I was like, do y'all got strawberry lemonade? This is my, okay. I think she's gonna want one of those too.
I like the drinks with the weird strawberry in them.
Got the nice little lemon slice.
But yeah, I think I'm gonna get the 6-piece traditional with fries. I'm not really getting that big because I want some spaghetti. I don't know why.
Baked spaghetti?
You know how to make that?
Baked spaghetti?
You wanna cook that today? Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all after they bring the food. No, it's good. Hot.
I got,
Y'all, that's what I got. Really non-major. I'm about to go ahead and get down though, you know. I get down and nerdy. Ain't that? They good? Yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all and get that eating though. Mine says to smell hot.
they crunchy? No, I got fucking hot.
Y'all, so we just got done eating. I'm at Walmart right now waiting on her to come back out. She had to run there and get something. Y'all, I actually can't even finish what I have to do today because it's raining. I actually want to go look at some apartments today. They look kind of good or whatever, but I really can't finish. Like, I have to finish getting the rest of my stuff. I only have to get some bottoms and a ski mask for ATV riding, and after that I should be done. But other than that, I really can't finish what I gotta do today. Y'all gonna see this a lot. My tripod should be coming in sometime this week. Y'all gonna see this a lot when the camera is up. This is my cousin Ashley. Y'all actually gonna see this a lot. Long live my cousin, by the way. I don't like when it, like, when people like play with it, because some people don't know what it is, but I have to tell them, like, they're my cousin Ashley, y'all. Like, then some people be like, you don't be scared, you know, spirits and stuff. Y'all done had this in my car since like it's been a minute now, and I still don't feel anything. Like, I just feel like I want it in here. Cause I already got a necklace on, so it's actually a necklace. But I know y'all can hear the rain. When she come home, I'm trying to hurry and go home and just chill. Cause I really can't finish what I gotta do. So I don't know what I'm doing yet next, but I'll get back with y'all, you know. What's up, y'all? So I don't even know where I left off at. I know this is the next day. Right now I'm going to T-Mobile to pay my phone bill. Every time I turn around, it's like it's time to pay something. Like, I'm finna stop turning around, you know. But yeah, I'm finna go to T-Mobile. After I go to T-Mobile, I'm finna go to my school, and that's gonna be it. Oh, y'all, let me tell y'all what happened today, right? So I ordered me some clothes from Shein, wherever y'all call it. I call it Shein, but I think it's pronounced Shein. But I ordered some clothes from them, and they made me do a verification or something like that. They were saying do the fraud or something. I was like, yeah, that wasn't me. I don't know what they talking about. But yeah. So I'm like, what? This girl said they did her like that too. I'm like, yeah, she ain't about to stop like having my service or whatever, cause this never happened to me. They canceled my order and everything and sent me my money back. I'm like, bro, really? Why is everybody taking so long to turn? I'm like, bro, really? Like, I was really low. And my trip is like in 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks. And they sent me my money back and I don't have any clothes. What is life? I don't know. But yeah, I said she will no longer be getting my service. They're done. Trying to see if you can handle the sound, but he said I kept him. But I'm finna go ahead and get out. I'm at the school right now. Go ahead and go do what I gotta do. Where's my purse? I need my purse. I don't Y'all, I love music. Like, that's just, music make me happy, for real. This my phone bill. I'm gonna put that right, and I'm putting these blood coming in. So right now I'm finna go inside the school, bring my documents they told me to bring and stuff. And I'm really not doing anything. I just gotta handle a few stuff today. Y'all really love music. Like, the way I love music is crazy. Y'all, so I'm just not getting out of school, right? Why did I get rained on? Like, y'all can't tell, but like, I'm soaking wet a little bit. Like, it just started pouring down rain as I walked out the school. Like, that was so crazy to me. But now I'm on the way to Five Below. Go get some wipes and stuff to wipe down my car, because it's kind of sticky. And the doors need to be wiped off with Lysol wipes due to the germs. So right now I'm on the way to Five Below, guys. I'm so pretty. Every day y'all remind myself, you that girl. You that girl. But yeah, let me go to Five Below so I can hear him get out the rain. Y'all, so it started raining, so I just came back to the house. I wanna got me some Zaxby's. Right now I'm finna go finish another edit on the video. I need to start back posting on TikTok, y'all, cause let me see what I got on TikTok. Let's see, I have, don't play no music, please. 101.7K on TikTok. 101.7 on TikTok. So I really need to start back posting on there. I posted a single video of me on there, and it got like, it went up. I'm so in love with you. I hope you know. Yeah. So I was singing that on there. But right now I'm finna go chill, watch TV, eat my little Zaxby's. Today I'm gonna make some spaghetti. So after that I'm gonna chill for a little bit, go to the store, get the stuff for the spaghetti, and I'm gonna cook me some spaghetti. I handled all my stuff today except for opening me a new bank account, so that's probably what I'm gonna do too if the bank not closed by then. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go do, guys. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm back at the house chilling, watch TV. Money cooking the spaghetti. I said I was gonna cook, I lied. But y'all gonna need to try this water right here. Everybody been hyping it up, so I really just gonna try it. Let me see. It's actually good. Alright, y'all ain't gonna drink all that because I want to drink some of it with my spaghetti. 10 out of 10. Go get you some. Oh, let me show y'all again. So y'all, I'm gonna eat some spaghetti, take a shower, do my little face routine. I'm gonna call it a night. That's all I'm really gonna be doing. I'm really tired again. I be so tired because I do everything early in the morning. Like tomorrow I gotta get up again, handle some more business, go to the school again, go to the bank again. Like it's just like I gotta get my stuff did like early. But okay, y'all, so I do my skin routine. I know this video kind of long. I know this kind of long overdue. A lot of people been asking me about for my skin routine, and I'm just now doing it. Sorry, guys, but I had to go re-up on some more stuff, and I have to push my edges back because I don't really want to get in. First, I wash my hands for one. I don't know how people clean their face and then wash their hands. That really confuses me. But yeah, I just wash my hands. And dry it off. Dry it off with a little 1-2. Yeah, I really love my face routine. Like this girl, let me tell you, this girl actually thought I was capping about my face routine. I was like, try it for a month and tell me what you think. That's all. Okay, y'all, so I use this. I'm gonna stop after I use everything. So I use this, I let this sit for a little bit, for like really 5 seconds, honestly. And then I add some water just to like get into it. My face was bumped up and dry. Okay, so I'm done with it. Wash my hands again. It's really important to wash your hands, for real. You don't wash your hands, I don't know what to tell you. Alright, y'all, sorry, my camera cut off. I don't know why, but anyways, I'm about to rinse this stuff off my face. Make sure it's all off, by the way. Y'all look cool. Oh, that feels good. Y'all, that's literally the best stuff I didn't ever use. Like, I used to watch a lot of people YouTube and stuff. They used to be like, try this, try this. My face so sensitive, so certain stuff I cannot use, but I'm telling y'all, use this for a month and text me on Instagram and tell me that this didn't work. We can bet $20, $50, $100 on this if you say it didn't work. So after that, I'll go on with this. I'll go with this. Usually I brush my teeth, but I'm finna eat a snack when I get out of the shower. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this right here. Get you some, please. Try this for a month. Call me back. Bet your mind on it, please. I'm telling you. It works, man. Make sure you put it up on your eyes and where your dark spots are also. I be putting a lot on, like, I don't play about my face. Make sure I get my nose. And it also helps, like, when you be in the sun a lot, help keep your skin tone. That looks good. Y'all usually put the bio oil on. Let me show y'all what it is. Bio oil. I usually use this. I don't know if y'all can see it. I usually use that, but I don't use that until like the morning time. So you can also use this too. But I highly recommend this. It's at Target. And I'm gonna brush my teeth when I get done with my snack. This right here, Target, get you some, please. But yeah, y'all, that's really my night routine. I know a lot of people been asking. My face have definitely did its work within a month. Cause if y'all see my face, y'all be like, girl, you need to do something with that. But that's to include this video, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And it's up, guys. I hope you guys like it. Bye.